Hey guys, this is FixerMed. Welcome back to my high-yield hematology and oncology review series for the USMLE Step 1, NBME CBSE, and NBME CAS examinations. In this series, I will be covering the entire system of hematology and oncology in a comprehensive but high-yield manner. This will be part 7 of my multi-part video series of doing so. Today, we will be taking a look at the Clotting Factor Pathway. Without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started on today's content. All right, let's start off by taking a look at an overview of the Clotting Factor Pathway. PT, prothrombin time, assesses the extrinsic pathway, while PTT, activated partial thromboplastin time, also known as activated PTT or APTT, evaluates the intrinsic pathway. Elevated PT indicates elevated prothrombin time and dysfunction in the extrinsic pathway. Increased PTT suggests issues in the intrinsic pathway. Concurrent elevation of both PT and PTT points to problems in the common pathway. Normal PT 10, 15 seconds, normal PTT 25, 40 seconds, normal bleeding time 2-7 minutes. Bleeding time assesses platelet function independently of clotting factors. PT and PTT evaluate clotting factors and are not indicative of platelet function. All right, guys, now that we have covered all of the content, let's go ahead and take a look at some questions to review the knowledge you have gained so far. A 45-year-old male presents with easy bruising and prolonged bleeding following minor injuries. Laboratory tests reveal a prolonged PT and normal platelet count. Which of the following is the most likely explanation for these findings? All right, I think I gave you guys enough time here. I'm going to move on to see what the correct answer is and what the reasoning behind it is. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. Otherwise, moving on now. Vitamin K is necessary for the synthesis of coagulation factors 2, 7, 9, and 10, which are assessed by the PT. Therefore, a prolonged PT with normal platelet count suggests vitamin K deficiency, impairing the synthesis of these factors and leading to prolonged clotting times. Therefore, the correct answer is C, vitamin K deficiency. All right, let's go ahead and see why the other answer choices are incorrect. The incorrect choices can be explained as follows. A, hemophilia. A, hemophilia A is characterized by deficiency or dysfunction of factor 8, leading to prolonged PTT rather than PT. The normal platelet count in this case makes hemophilia less likely. B, von Willebrand disease. Von Willebrand disease typically presents with mucocutaneous bleeding and prolonged bleeding time rather than isolated, prolonged PT. Normal platelet count also argues against von Willebrand disease. D, disseminated intravascular coagulation, DIC. DIC usually presents with consumptive coagulopathy, leading to both prolonged PT and PTT along with thrombocytopenia. The absence of thrombocytopenia and normal PTT in this case makes DIC less likely. E, factor 7 deficiency. Factor 7 deficiency would result in a prolonged PT, but it is a rare condition and is usually associated with bleeding symptoms from birth or early childhood. The presentation of easy bruising in adulthood makes factor 7 deficiency less likely. All right, guys, that is all I have for this video today. If you like this type of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Be sure to leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. This is FixerMed signing off. Be sure to have a great day, everyone, and good luck studying as always. Goodbye.